I'm Judge Elizabeth Davis Frizell, and I'm running for District Attorney of Dallas County. I want to create Dallas County's first felony family violence court. I was a domestic violence judge for 8 years, and I understand the dynamic of power and control that exists in family violence. Many times I saw victims who were afraid to live in their own homes because they were told by their husbands, "Where are you going to go? Where are you going to work? How are you going to afford to take care of yourself? Don't worry, you'll be back." And quite often, I heard victims say, "Yes, you're right. I will be back because I've been taking care of the child in the home, and I haven't been able to build the resume outside of the home that I need to have the job to sustain myself." You do not have to live in fear in your own home. You shouldn't have to live in fear anywhere in Dallas County, but especially not in your own home. As your next district attorney, I understand that dynamic of power and control, and I'll make sure that you're safe, and I'll make sure that anyone feels welcome to report offenses. Many times in family violence court, I saw victims who were afraid to report because their spouses would threaten them with deportation. A lot of people come from different backgrounds, different countries, different parts of Dallas County. One thing I know about family violence is it cuts across all socioeconomic backgrounds. I want to be the district attorney that makes you safe as a victim of family violence. And I also want to be the DA that makes sure you are rightfully accused of family violence. Too often in family violence court, I heard of cases of defendants being wrongfully accused of assaults that did not occur. That's not an appropriate use of our justice system. I want to make sure that justice is fair for all and not just for some. We can have excellence in the DA's office. I'm a mother, a wife, a family violence judge, the only judge in the race who has this type of experience. It's important to me. It should be important to you that your district attorney understands the dynamic of family violence. You can have excellence. We can excel with Judge Elizabeth Frizell. I'm Elizabeth Davis Frizell, and I approve this message. Join me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at Frizell for DA, at Frizell, the number 4 DA, or visit my website, www.frizellforda.com, Frizell, the number 4 DA.com, for all the latest updates on events, news, and current issues. We can excel with Judge Elizabeth Frizell.
Political advertisement paid for by the Elizabeth Davis Frizell Campaign for District Attorney. Dr. Freddie D. Haynes, Treasurer.